Once again, ladies and gentlemen, in order to have an on-time departure, we need everyone seated at this time, please. Look to your left, look to your right. That first open seat that you see is your seat. Unfortunately, there are no more twos together, guys. Please look to your left, look to your right. Take the first seat that you see so we can go get these doors closed and be on our way to Chicago. Thank you. Welcome aboard. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard Prince's favorite flight, 1999, with service to Chicago. Flight attendant serving you today will be David at the rear of the aircraft. Wendy and Continue will be at the cabin on Momar, who's serving you up front. Shortly after takeoff, we will be serving complimentary juices, coffee, tea, and water. At that time, cocktails, beer, and wine may be purchased using the credit or debit card or valid drinking cards for those purchases. Once we reach a certain altitude, Wi-Fi will be available for live TV and surfing the web for small feeds. For operational functions of the Wi-Fi, you may find that the Southwest magazine, which is located in the seat back pocket in front of you. Smoking is not permitted on board this flight, or compliance is required by the And ladies and gentlemen, if you are seated in the emergency exit row, please refer to the safety information card for the exit row criteria to be performed and required by federal law. Do not meet the criteria, do not wish to perform the functions, please notify a flight attendant for receiving. So that we may push back from the gate, we need all electronic devices placed in airplane mode, all your seat back and tray tables in a pull upright lock position, and all of your carry-on items completely underneath your seat in front of you, leaving access to the aisle clear. Once again, we'd like to welcome you aboard Southwest Airlines Flight 1999 with service to Chicago.
Are they all set for airplane mode? Are they all set for airplane mode? Alright. Right, airplane mode. Well, that's not easy, I know nothing.
Thank you.
Except if you're supposed to be in it. Oh, yeah, he's going to go back far enough. He won't stay with the wind.
Huh?
Yeah, that's all right. It'll work out.
What?
You should go back a couple more rows because you're cut real close to the wind. But you can still see out that way.
I like being right here.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect. All right. Perfect. Then it's perfect.
It's my favorite seat because hello guys, this is Punta fan here. This is Someone's fan here, and we're gonna be on a flight from Punta International Airport to Chicago Midway International Airport on Southwest Airlines. I know you guys what you guys think. I live in Chicago, but I should have made a video when I was coming from Chicago. However, I was too dumb enough to do that, and plus my phone was nearly to dead, so that's the only reason why I didn't do it. So, yeah, that's what's gonna be going on today. Cause my phone got like 74%, so we got plenty of stuff. We got plenty of stuff to do. So yeah, we're gonna be flight. So first we're gonna do the pushback taxi and takeoff. And then after that, I'm so tired of holding this thing.
Three boys. No, two boys got Oh, you're right. What'd they get it for in the two gift cards? When you get to Chicago,
They got their own slip in the bag.
oh, they got a sticker in the front. Oh, I see. You know, it's not, it's
Then over there, you can see a One World airline One World, and it is an Airbus A320. Then back here we have South Africa. Not sure if you guys can see it, but I can't turn my stuff. We're just gonna try to wait to the pushback.
Is there anyone traveling alone that would mind moving to another window or aisle? We have some available. Anyone traveling alone willing to move for a family to sit together?
Will I get some points for it? I'll go for a credit.
One way is fine.
Or ladies and gentlemen, if you're a couple and you don't mind splitting up, we'll buy you a couple of cocktails. How about that? Just raise your hands or read your call button. Where are you? But you can't be at the emergency exit row. If you're by yourself and there's an empty seat next to you, ring your flight attendant call button, please. Thank you.
Give me a credit. Free cocktail means nothing.
Okay, ladies that are in the aisle right there, we have only center seats, middle seats at this time. Look to your left and look to your right. Grab that first seat. If you have a bag, we've got plenty of overhead bin space. Walk back towards the forward part of the aircraft.
I think that's what they read too.
Oh, Jada, I'm sorry, Marcy. I thought you wanted it. Yep, Jada, yes, keep it up. There you go. You have to keep it up until we take off. As soon as we take off, you can put it down. I didn't make the rule. I didn't make the rule. Jada, I apologize to Marcy because I thought I saw her on
When we take off, we'll get to see the island. Forgot about that.
batteries now. It's now 70% and it's approximately 3:21 here. But in Chicago, it is approximately 2:21. Probably 5:22 in Tokyo now. If anyone's watching, so it's going to be watching on Tokyo.
Oh yeah, so here's one here.
Send it to me.
Place it back under the seat.
That ain't as bad as I thought, but I felt like I was hanging off
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we have the main cabin door closed at this time. We are preparing to push back to keep all the electronic devices placed into airplane mode at this time. Flight attendants on your doors and cross-check for departure.
I put it in there already, but I was next to that and take it off. But airplane mode means that this is some signals.
Oh.
Cross, arms across that, get it.
Was that good? Yeah.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, if you would please lower your window shades and open your air vents. It's going to help us to have the aircraft be a little bit cooler for you until we start to move. Everyone reach up, open your air vents. If you're sitting next to the window, please lower that window shade. Thank you.
Well, folks, from up front, again, welcome aboard Southwest Airlines Flight 1999.